Can I ask you something?
Yeah?
When was the last time you actually made plans with my family?
What do you mean?
Not me asking you. Not me telling you we're seeing my parents. When have you ever said, hey, let's go see your family this weekend?
I don't know.
Exactly. And that's actually starting to hurt.
Okay, where is this coming from?
It isn't just today. Think about every birthday, every dinner, every time we haven't seen them in a while. Who brings it up?
I never realized it was spreadsheet.
I know. But apparently my brain does. Every time we haven't seen them in a while, because I'm the one doing it.
Okay, honestly,
Yeah,
I thought I was being respectful.
respectful.
It's your family. I don't want to be deciding when we see them.
Why not?
Because I don't know where the line is. I know the rules. I know when I can call my mom. I know when I can say, let's come over. With your family, I always feel like I'm stepping into something that belongs to you.
So you weren't avoiding my family?
No. Was trying not to overstep.
You're not a guest in my life. Can I tell you what it's actually about?
Yeah.
It's not really about dinners. It's about what it feels like when you never initiate. It makes me feel like I'm the only one who thinks my family matters. Like if I stop asking, maybe we just stop seeing them.
I never wanted you to feel that way.
I know. But intention doesn't always change how something feels.
So what would make it feel different?
What? I know. What would make you feel like we're doing this together? Honestly,
Honestly.
I don't need you to plan everything this together. Think of them before I have to. Honestly, ask when they're free. We haven't seen your parents lately. Should we invite them over?
So basically, you want evidence that they're part of my world too.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay? Then I'll start. I'm gonna text your mom.
Right now?
Right now. Hi, Linda. It's Daniel.
Wow.
Very serious. Dinner Friday?
Did you ever text my mom?
I was going to.
Daniel,
I know.
this is exactly what I was
I know.
talking about.
I messed up. I'm not asking you to be perfect.
But I don't want this to become something you do for 2 weeks because we had a conversation.
That's fair.
I want it to become something you actually think about.
Oh, by the way, I invited your parents for dinner. They are coming next Saturday.
You did?
Yeah,
Without me saying anything?
without you saying anything.
It's dinner, Maya.
No. It isn't. You remembered.
Yeah, I did.
I think sometimes we don't need grand gestures. We just need to know that the people who matter to us matter to the person we love too.
You know what I realized?
What?
I thought initiating meant taking control, but really thinking about the things they care about.
That's exactly it.
And I probably should have figured that out sooner.
Probably.